This striking multiple-level residence is truly something special. Tucked within a peaceful Cupertino community, you're just a short stroll to highly claimed top-rated schools, neighborhood parks, and premier shopping destinations including Westgate, Cupertino Village, and Santana Row. Major tech campuses are just minutes away, and with convenient access to Highway 17, 85, 280, and Lawrence Expressway, your commute is effortless. Let's take a look inside. Rich hardwood flooring leads you into a bright, airy, open concept living space, highlighted by soaring ceilings and elegant arched architectural details. Upstairs, just beyond the dining area, you will find a beautifully pointed kitchen and family room retreat, featuring high-end Sunnyvale appliances, granite countertops, a gorgeous center island, and abundant cabinetry. The upper level offers three spacious bedrooms, thoughtfully designed with ample closet space, along with a full bathroom and a charming office look, ideal for working from home or quiet setting. The primary suite is a true sanctuary, complete with a massive walk-in closet featuring customer organizers and a spa-inspired bathroom with dual sinks, a jetted soaking tub with a view, and a separate stall shower. Step outside into a private porch overlooking a lush greenbelt. That brings my tour to an end. I'm your neighborhood realtor, RENNA, and if you have any questions, feel free to call at the number below. Also, be sure to click like the button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings, and I will see you this weekend. Bye now.